Okay, happy Sunday morning, y'all. I'm gonna make a pepperoni pizza omelet. Already got my eggs mixed up. Okay, while it's cooking, let me give you a little update. I have these nodules on my thyroid, and they're somewhat large. They're 1.5 inches large. I have 3 of them. And they did a blood test, and it tested high for something called calcitonin, which is supposedly a marker for medullary cancer. So they had me come back and take a second blood test, and that tested high also, but not as high as the first one. So they want me to take a third blood test and have a biopsy done on the nodules on my thyroid. I don't know if it's cancer for certain, but even if it isn't, it's most likely that I'm going to have my thyroid removed, because if you can hear me breathing, and what it does is constrict my esophagus, and it makes it very hard to suck air through my esophagus. And I've had this problem for a very long time, and there's nothing, they can't remove the nodules off the thyroid because they're so big. So chances are I'm going to have my thyroid removed. All right, let me show you what I'm going to put on this. I got some mozzarella cheese. I got pepperoni, onion, green pepper, and some spaghetti sauce. I'm just going to put a little bit on there. Okay, I'll turn you back on when it's time to flip. All right, let me see if I can flip this without destroying it. Move. Oh well, I'll clean it up. All right, I'll put a little bit of spaghetti sauce. Some mozzarella cheese. My pepperoni. My cebolla. My chili verde. And I'm going to flip it. Oh, that is going to be so good. Just a second. Tell you what, I'm gonna put a lid on this just so everything will heat up from the top too. I'll be right back. You're in the way of the lid. All right. Okay. I'm gonna test it right here, and I'll tell you why. We've had a battle with ants. Let me tell you, we've had 9.5 inches of rain in Louisiana in the month of February, which is a record. The last record was 1939. We had 8.5 inches. And we've had ants move in because there's no dry place out there for them. So I'm going to try this right here. Boy, it sure smells good. All right. Oh yeah, got a little bit of everything in there. Here we go. Man. Yep. I'd do that again. That's good. That's up there. That's up there with the chili omelet right there. Hey, tomorrow, Sunday's BC Sunday Rant, I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to go ahead and tell you about my UFO story. Yep. And my wife was there, and I'm trying to convince her to tell her part of it. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow anyway, regardless of what I talk about. Thanks for watching, y'all.